Okay, guys. Today we're learning about differentiation.
What's differentiation?
Do we use any formulas for that?
Differentiation is the act of deriving a function to find the slope at a given point. And so here we have the power rule. And then we have the quotient rule. And it's used when you have fractions. But we also have the product rule. This is the product rule. You use this when you have two functions that need to be multiplied by each other.
I don't get it. Can you explain it?
No! Yeah.
Greeting, classmates. Let's do some calculus.
I know a class where derivatives are simple. Take your function, then derive it with the power rule. Take your exponent, multiply it with the coefficient in front, subtract it by 1. Then do the same thing with the other values. You're done. You could travel to school, but nothing comes close to Miss DeFrane's class. Once you study with us, you'll be getting good grades.
You take your first two functions, and then you plug them into the product rule, which is you take your first function, 3x squared minus 1, and then you multiply it by the derivative of the first function, which is 3x squared plus 5. And then you add the second function as is, and you multiply it by the derivative of the first function, which is 6x. And then you multiply it out, and when you simplify it, you get this as your answer.
The quotient rule is another way to differentiate. Used with fractions, it's a bit more complicated.
This is how you do the quotient rule. You take the derivative of the top and then multiply it by the bottom. And then you subtract it by the derivative of the bottom and then multiply it by the top. And all of that is over the bottom square.
Calculus students, we are intelligent. We know how to do your homework. Study every night, we'll all get straight A's. Calculus students, we are unstoppable. Fine, fresh, fierce, we got math on lock. JFK represent, now put your hands up.
Product rule, set and ready. Use this when you got two functions, f of x times g of x, f from x times g of x, and add it to the other one, f of x times g prime x. Calculus is a freak, you're supposed to teach and be the rap king. It's okay, I don't play, I love this class just like I love solving. Product rule and quotient rule, calculus is everything. Timberwolves, mathing out, all these functions, solve right now. Division, my position, my precision, my vision, just a class of my ambition. Maddie, my buddy,
Yeah?
come over and study. I'm all up on you, just learning all these formulas.
Calculus students, we are intelligent. We know how to do your homework. Study every night, we'll all get straight A's.